10 Skincare Mistakes. Hello cuties, hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will talk about 10 skincare mistakes you are probably making. Tip number 1. Stop using cotton pads. I know some of you might be shocked, but using cotton pads is a bad option for you to use. When you use cotton pads to remove your makeup and putting micellar water or toner on it, it gives you that feeling of cleanness. You feel clean since you can see all the dirt on the cotton pads. But if you have sensitive skin, cotton pads will irritate your skin, and you might not know nor realize. A lot of cotton pads have added bleaches and fertilizers, and they could leave those residues on your skin. Instead, I suggest washing your hands and using it directly on your face so that you're getting all the benefits. Cotton pads hog products. Less liquid touches your skin and more is trapped in the fibers. When you are applying toner or any skincare product on your skin, make sure to tap it in. It helps the skin to suck all the moisture and benefits into the skin. Tip number 2. Always take off your makeup before you sleep. When you go out to have fun, but you come home late at night and you are tired, so you just want to sleep, you go to the bathroom to take off your makeup, but you use a makeup wipe. You shouldn't ever take off your makeup with makeup wipes. You need to take it off with an oil cleanser or just a normal cleanser. As you know, our skin has pores, and when you put on makeup, it sinks inside of the pores. So when you use a makeup wipe, it doesn't fully clean your skin. When you're using an oil cleanser to take off your skin makeup, make sure to double cleanse. The first cleanse takes off all the makeup and dirt, and the second cleanse makes sure all the makeup and dirt is off. Not only that, but using an oil cleanser that is meant for your skin type is so much better, since it literally melts the makeup off and it doesn't irritate the skin as much. When you are using an oil cleanser, make sure to go in circular motion. Just look at how easy this oil cleanser melts off the skin. Tip number 3. Don't just focus on your problem. You know when you have that big piece of acne or a big pimple, or when you have an oily or dry T-zone. For example, when you moisturize or cleanse, you put it all over your face, but you are only focusing on your dry or oily T-zone and not the rest of your areas. But if you put the same amount on every place of your face, it will change your entire complexion. Tip number 4. Be careful of your environment out of your skincare routine. When is the last time you changed your pillowcase? You need to change your pillowcase, like, once every week. We can't see it, but there is so much dirt on our pillowcase. There's drool, there's dead skin cells, products from your face and products from your hair. You should always clean your phone too. For example, you just finished talking on the phone, and you are pressing your phone on your ears and they are touching. All the product, dirt and dead skin cells on your face will be transferred on your phone, which is why you should always clean your phone after it touching your face. Clean your makeup brushes after every use. Just imagine all that makeup that was on your face is now on your blush, and you keep using it, for example, every day. So much dirt and bacteria will stick on your brush that you will use again, but you won't be able to see it. That is another reason as to why you keep getting acne. You can get that product from Shein for like $2 or $3. When you are cleaning your brush, make sure you go in circular motions to help clean it better without damaging it. Tip number 5. Always moisturize your skin even if it's oily. When your skin is hydrated and moisturized, your skin absorbs it all, no matter what kind of skin type you have. If you have oily skin and you put moisturizer on it, it will not make it more oily. But if it does make it more oily, you can still get a non-oil based moisturizer. If you take care of your skin correctly and apply moisturizer, cleanser, toner, etc., it will help you so much by making your skin clearer and smoother. Tip number 6. Don't abuse your skin with multiple products. If you put multiple products on your skin, it will not make it better. Instead, it will do the opposite and make it worse, especially if these products have active ingredients in them that you should never mix with the other. It will irritate your skin badly. It will give you acne and acne scars. And the worst thing possible is that if you mix these active ingredients, you will get a chemical burn. It will make you red and you'll have puffy skin. Instead, just stick to a routine and use less products. Make sure these products are compatible with your skin type. Tip number 7. Never use skincare with fragrance. Using skincare with fragrance will cause so many reactions, such as really dry skin, really bad acne, really bad eczema. Tip number 8. Do not overdo nor skip exfoliation. Don't over exfoliate. Don't exfoliate every single day. That is really bad for your skin. You're going to want to exfoliate maybe once a week. Exfoliating has so many benefits such as 1. Removes dead skin cells. 2. Improves the efficacy of your moisturizer. 3. Smooths skin texture. 4. Prepares the skin for self-tanning products. 5. Creates a natural glow. 6. Helps serum and moisturizer absorption. 7. Helps even out your skin tone. 8. Makes your skin look fresh and hydrated. Tip number 9. Never ever pop your pimples. Many people like popping their pimples because it looks satisfying to them, and because they don't want to have pimples on their face. Squeezing can push bacteria and pus deeper into the skin, which might cause more swelling and redness. Squeezing also can lead to scabs and might leave you with permanent pits or scars. Instead, just get an acne treatment and a pimple patch. Use them and leave it overnight, and your pimple will be gone. Tip number 10. Stick to a specific everyday skincare routine. If you're just constantly using different products and don't stick to a specific routine instead of just using products that you know your skin needs and likes, then your skin will react badly. All your skin barrier needs is a correct and same skincare routine and giving it time. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe.